to Bathnet's Farmhouse. Today we're going to be making a good old-fashioned lard soap with a couple extra benefits of our goat milk and some colloidal oatmeal. So in this container we have our milk and lye solution, and in this container we have just plain melted lard. So to the lard we'll be adding some colloidal oatmeal. We'll just give that a blend in real quick. Now I'm soaping at a pretty low temperature today, so that's why my melted lard here still looks really cloudy. It is completely melted, but it's not very hot at all. So I'm just going to pour this down the stick blender and we'll mix this up. Alright, we got all that blended up to about a medium trace. A lard soap sets up pretty quickly, and the goat milk helps speed up that process as well. Here we have our 2-pound mold from Brambleberry, and I just love this mold. These little wing nuts here, you can just take it apart so easily and unmold the soap. So let's get this poured in here. I like to call this soap Plain Jane. Has nothing extra special, but it's really great for sensitive skin. Let's get this scraped out and we'll play with the top a little bit and give it a nice texture. Alright, grab this spatula here and try to texture the top. It's not quite as set up as I want it to be, but I'm running out of time, and when you have 3 young children, you kind of gotta do what you gotta do when you gotta do it. Well, I didn't get the textured top that I wanted, but check out how creamy that soap is. I can't wait to chop it up, let it cure, and try it out. Hey everyone, we're back the next day to cut this soap. As you can see, I was able to go back and give it a little texture on top. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film that. Let's get to cutting here. Nothing too special, just a nice creamy goat milk soap.